Through the Warrior Pro app, we transport you to the very heart of Gettysburg. No travel required. As the screen opens, you are greeted by a breathtaking bird's-eye view of the Union line, just as it stretched across the battlefield on that fateful second day. As the sun blazes over Gettysburg on the second day of battle, Union forces hold a precarious position along a fishhook-shaped line. At the very tip of the hook lies Little Round Top, the critical high ground anchoring the Union left flank. In the afternoon, General Lee unleashes Lieutenant General James Longstreet's fierce assault, aiming to seize the hill. Waves of Confederate troops storm up the rocky slopes, determined to take the position. With the power of the Warrior VR app, you can fully immerse yourself in the terrain, just as General Warren did, seeing the vantage points, the slopes, and the crucial high ground that could shift the course of a battle. This in-person, 360-degree view shows what a two-dimensional map could never capture, giving you a deeper understanding of the strategic importance of Little Round Top and the leadership decisions that shaped history. With the power of the Warrior VR app, you can fully immerse yourself in the terrain, just as General Warren did, seeing the vantage points, the slopes, and the crucial high ground that could shift the course of a battle. This in-person, 360-degree view shows what a two-dimensional map could never capture. Now, let's take it one step further. Through the Warrior VR app, you can actually step into the boots of the soldiers defending Little Round Top. Feel the intensity of the moment as you join your fellow troops on the rocky slopes, watching the enemy approach. You're not just observing history, you're living it, standing shoulder to shoulder with the men who held the line, experiencing the battle as they did. This revolutionary immersive technology allows you to see the exact perspective the enemy had as they attacked. As you close in on each other, you must fight, using your controllers to thrust and parry with your bayonet, reload, aim, and fire. This gamified experience lets you earn points based on your combat performance, comparing how you fought against others in real time. It's not just a simulation, it's a chance to step into history and test your leadership under fire. As the battle intensifies, you're no longer just a spectator. You're a soldier, transported through time to fight for control of Little Round Top. The chaos of war surrounds you, the clash of bayonets, the boom of cannon fire, the desperate cries of men holding the line. You feel the weight of responsibility as you and your comrades defend the critical Union flank. Each decision, each move, could mean victory or defeat. But the experience doesn't end there. Once the smoke clears, you'll be faced with the same harrowing leadership dilemmas the real commanders encountered on that battlefield. Questions that test your judgment, your courage, and your ability to make tough calls under pressure. These are the same challenges faced by the leaders who shaped the course of history, proof that leadership itself never changes, even if time and technology do. We are now entering the third and final day of battle, the moment that will decide the fate of Gettysburg. Orient yourselves to Pickett's division, poised for their legendary charge. Soon, we'll be joining his men as they march across that open field in a desperate, fateful attack. The air is thick with tension, the odds daunting, and history is about to be made. Prepare yourselves for what's to come as we step into the ranks of Pickett's division and experience one of the most pivotal moments of the Civil War. We begin at the base of the towering Virginia Monument, where General Robert E. Lee, mounted on his loyal horse, Traveler, surveys the battlefield with quiet pride. As a soldier in Pickett's division, you're preparing for what will become one of the most infamous assaults in history, Pickett's charge. You glance around, heart pounding, and spot Little Round Top looming in the distance. A chill runs down your spine as you realize, if you can see them, they can see you. Your eyes are drawn to the Federal artillery, Napoleon 12-pounder cannons, capable of devastating fire at a range of 1,200 meters. You take some small comfort knowing that, for now, you stand just beyond their deadly reach at 2,400 meters. But with every step forward, the safety of that distance will disappear, and soon you will be within the jaws of fire. The gravity of what lies ahead begins to sink in as you prepare for the charge that will test your courage, your resolve, and your place in history. This immersive leadership training experience that transforms how you learn. You're not just watching, you're actively participating. Switch between first person, standing with legendary warriors, and a strategic bird's-eye view. The app's gamified combat scenarios put your decisions to the test, with real outcomes. You'll experience the thrill of battle and be challenged by leadership questions that mirror those faced by battlefield commanders.